O Lord,
Lord, give you thanks and on learned and
kindness
kindness
to grant us
to grant us
this
teaching
beautiful day.
beautiful day. Teachings are dear and dear ones.
Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. People COVID-19. Bless us. Fill with wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessing. One at a time. Okay. If you want to tell this prayer, one at a time. So during the time of prayer, only one will tell the prayer, others you have to be silent. Okay. Now why we are praying to God? Every day we are praying to God, no? Why we are praying to God? We should pray to God morning as morning also. Morning also and at the time of sleep. Okay. So he will help us. He will help us to study well. And the present moment, whose gift? The present moment. It's God's gift only, no? It's God's gift only, the present moment. So we have to thank to him. That's all. Okay. Now you please listen to here. So last class we discussed the place and place value chart. The place value and place value chart. And today the first 25 minutes we have the next topic. And after that I will evaluate the activities. Now all of you please listen here. Today we are going to learn expanded form of a 3-digit number. Please listen here. Expanded form of a 3-digit number. Now I'm going to share the screen. I will explain with the example. Okay. So please listen to ma'am. No need to take the notebook now. Listen here. Let me share the screen. So let me write one number here. Please be quiet. And we have a number.
Ma'am, we need to write this.
Yes, Prarthana.
Ma'am, this activity the next today. Today
Again, I am telling, please listen to ma'am. Please listen to ma'am. Okay. First 20-25 minutes, we will learn the new topic. After that, I will ask each one of you the activity. Okay. Now, please listen to ma'am. The number I am going to write is 298. 298. Sarah, please tell me the number name. 298. I'm calling out the name. That one only unmute and tell me the answer. What's the number name of 298?
298.
98. Very good. Aidel Maria, please mute your device. So we have the number 298. Okay, I will ask you, Aidel Maria. So here we can see the number name is 298. So this number, this 3-digit number, we are going to write the expanded form. Now, what is this expanded form? The place values of the digits, we will write using the plus symbol. Okay, between these place values, we will use the plus symbol. Are you remembering the plus symbol? Plus symbol. Okay. Now, John Judy, where we use this plus symbol, or what is the meaning of plus symbol, John Judy? Plus symbol shows. Plus symbol shows addition. Okay, addition. What is the meaning of addition? Addition means putting together. Very good, Arathi. Addition means putting together. Now, we use the symbol plus for addition. And what we call the answer of addition? Maithili, answer of addition. What we call? Answer of addition? Sum. Very good. We call it as sum. Sum. Okay. Now here in this expanded form of a 3-digit number, we use a plus symbol. Okay. We write the place values of each digit and we also write plus symbol between them. Now let me share the screen once again. Please listen here. So I wrote the number 298. Here we can see the digit at 100 place is 2, 10 place is 9, and 1 place it is 8. Okay. Now I'm going to write the expanded form. expanded. Expanded form. Expanded form. So how we will write the expanded form? First of all, starting with the 100 space. We can see 2 is at 100 space. So we can write the place value of 2. So place value of 2 is 200. Okay. Plus. Now the next digit is 9. Next digit is 9. The place value of 9 is 9 tenths. That means 90. Please mute your device. Plus, we have the next digit, that is 8. 8 is at 1's place. The place value of 8 is 8 ones. 8 ones means 8. So this is the answer. Okay. So we wrote the place values and we put the plus symbol between them. This form is called expanded form. Okay. Expanded form. EXPANDED. Expanded. FORM. Expanded form. I will write one more question. Please listen here. Let me write another number. 1, 5, 6. Ma'am will tell when you have to write. Please listen here. Okay. Sandra, please tell me the number name. 1, 5, 6. Sandra, please unmute and tell me the number name. 1, 5, 6. What's the number name, my dear?
156.
I know only one Sandria. Sandria, please tell me the answer. 1, 5, 6. 5, 6 together, we will say 56. 156. Okay. Here we can see 1 is at 100's place, 5 at 10's place, 6 at 1's place. Okay. 1 at 100's place, 5 at 10's place, 6 at 1's place. Yes, my dear.
Please add me soon. Please add me soon. Ma'am, Rishan telling. Ma'am, please add me soon. Ma'am, Rishan telling.
Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Please listen to ma'am. Let me explain with the example, the expanded form. Okay, ma'am will tell you when you have to open your notebook. Please listen to ma'am. Let me share the screen. So we have the second example here. 156. The number name is 156. 156. Here we can see at 100's place, the digit is 1. That means the place value of 1 is 100. Now, the digit at 10's place is 5. So 5's place value is 5 tenths. That is 50. Then we can see the digit at 1's place is 6. So the place value is 6 ones. That is 6 itself. Okay. Now let us write the expanded form. So at 100's place it is 1. So 100. Plus at the 10's place it is 5. So 5 tenths. That means 50. Plus 1's place it is 6. 6 ones. That is 6 itself. Okay. So 100 plus 50 plus 6. That is an expanded form of 156. Now let us revise this expanded form with one more example. Who is ready to write? Eh? Let me explain with one more example. Let me explain with one more example. Please listen here. Now, another number 490. Now, Junaida Joshi, please tell me the number name. 490.
490.
Very good. 4 is at 100 space, 9 at 10 space, and 1 space we can see 0. Okay. Now, let us see the expanded form. So, expanded form is 100 space we can see 4. So, 400 plus 10 space it is 9. So, 9 tenths. 9 tenths means 90. Plus at the one space we can see 0. So 0 ones, that means 0. So 400 plus 90 plus 0. Now, is it clear to you all? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So please listen once again. Expanded form of a 3-digit number. What is the meaning of expanded form? The place values of the digits in a number we are writing using the plus symbol between them. So that form we call it as expanded form. Okay. So this we can write in the notebook. So please take a notebook, all of you. Take a fresh page.
I already take.
The screen. Write the heading E X P A N D E D, expanded. E X P A N D E D, expanded. FORM, expanded form. Expanded form. OF, expanded form.
Ma'am,
Yes, Prarthana?
Ma'am, I go to toilet.
Yes. Expanded form of a
Expanded.
3-digit number. 3-digit number.
Ma'am, right?
Yes. Expanded form of a 3-digit number. THE. The PLACE. Please. The place values. The place values.
Usually.
The place values of the digits, the place values of the digits, the place values of the digits of a given number
And of a number
of a given number the place values of the digits of a given number with a plus SIGN. The place values of the digits of a given number with a plus sign the place values of the digits of a given number with a plus sign between them. BETWEEN, between THEM, between them,
NUMBER number
the place values of the digits of a given number with a plus sign between them gives the,
not completed.
you please write. The place values of the digits of a given number with a plus sign between them gives the dash. What we will get? What form?
Expand form.
Expanded. Expanded form of the number. No need to by heart this sentence, but you have to understood what is expanded form of a 3-digit number. The place values of the digits of a given number with a plus sign between them gives the expanded form of the number.
Completed.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
BETW or U?
BETWEEN, between.
Is W. Ma'am, between W.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Mano, please read the sentence. Others, please be quiet. Mano, please read the sentence. What is the expanded form of a 3-digit number?
Place value of the digit of a given number with a plus
Sign.
sign, then give the expected form of the number.
Okay, good. Marian, you have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the sentence.
The place value of the digit of a given number with a plus sign between them gives the expanded for of the number.
Okay, very good.
That's complete.
Now, please be quiet. Now, let me see your activities. Okay. So, please be quiet.
Okay, ma'am.
Please mute your device.
And those are completed notebook class.
Okay, you can close your notebook and please be quiet. Let me see your activities. Okay. So, I'm going to stop sharing. Now, the same notes I will send in the group also. Please
And
be
the
quiet.
last
Please be quiet. Now, Agnay is present. Agnay, show me yours. Agnay. Agnay, I asked the activity. Where is the activity?
ma'am, please share the board.
I will share the board. Just 1 minute. Okay. Okay, good, Agnay. Okay, good. Now, Abhinav MP. Abhinav. Abhinav, where is the activity? No, I asked the activity. You have to make a picture using the 3D and 2D sheets. No, that's all I asked. Is it ready?
I will send the WhatsApp.
Okay, you show me on next day. Okay, Adam Joe. Adam Joe, please turn on your video and show me the activity. Adam Joe, please turn on your video and show me the activity. Adel Maria, please open it, my dear. Where is the 2D sheets? Okay, good. Now, Adinath, please, Sunil. Adinath. Okay, Adinath. See, Adinath. Okay, good. Now, Agnes. Okay, then Edelan. Edelan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can see. Good. Very good, Edelan. Now, Anaya Rose. Anaya. Anaya. Please show me the activity, Anaya. Anaya is present.
Anna is not present.
Not present. Okay. Now, Aradhi. Okay, Aradhi, good. Now, Austin. Okay, good. Then Aisha. Okay. Then Ayush. Ayush.
Present.
Okay, okay, Ayush. Ayush, I saw the picture. Okay. Then Daniel Jindo. Daniel Jindo. Daniel Jindo present. Okay, Daniel, please show me. Only this cube. Please open and show me the other pages. Only one. Okay, Ivania Brighto, Ivania. Ivania. Okay. Ivania, good, very good. See Ivania's picture.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, Sunday can show.
Sandra, I will call your name, okay? Then Everett. Everett.
Yes, present, ma'am.
Okay, show me the, okay. Everett, show me. Everett, show me once again. Good.
Super, super.
Then Hayan. 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 Hayan is absent. Then Henry.
Yes. Open the WhatsApp group.
Then Jewel Maria. Jewel Maria. Jewel Maria. Okay, Jewel Maria. I can see. Okay, okay, good, Jewel Maria. Good. Okay. John Judy. John Judy. Johan. Where is Johan? Johan Judy, show me the picture.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Very good picture. See Johan Judy's
Ma'am,
picture.
I not see.
Very good, Johan. Very good. Now we have. Please be quiet. Junaita Joshi. Junaita. Okay. Good, Junaita. Then Karthik. Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where is the activity, Karthik?
Yeah. Ma'am, Aisha can see.
Aisha, you keep it down. I only saw no. Krishna Priya. Keep it down. Okay. Krishna Priya.
Ma'am, I will send in the WhatsApp.
Malavika. Malavika. Okay. Malavika, show. Okay. Now, what about the next one? Manav.
Yes, ma'am.
Manav, show me. Okay, good. Manav, very good. Okay. Then Meghadarsh. Okay, Meghadarsh. Yes. Show me, Meghadarsh. Okay, good. Marin. Marin, where is the activity, Marin?
Exam.
Okay, good.
Section.
Okay, now Mohammed Rishan.
Section.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, show me your picture. Then Maidili. Okay, Maidili.
Section.
Yes. No exam. The link I will send in the group. Maidili, very good. Now Nakshatra.
Yeah.
Yes, where are you, Nakshatra?
Madam.
Call out Adam, I will call. See, where is Nakshatra?
Yes, ma'am. Nakshatra.
Mohammed Rishan, I will call out your name. Please be quiet.
WhatsApp.
Yes, Nakshatra. Where is the activity, Nakshatra?
We'll send WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Send the WhatsApp.
Prarthana, okay. Then Rihan Hanifa. Rihan.
Your help.
It's not, you have to do and you have to show me on next day, okay? Then Ritik.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Ritik. Okay, good. Then Risa Nasmia. Risa.
Ma'am, I will send it to the group.
Sandria.
Ma'am, did you see?
Sandria, please show me. Show. It's very good picture. Show, Sandria. Okay, then who's the next one? Sarah. Sarah, where is the activity, Sarah? Okay. Open it, Sarah. Okay. Then Shrudakirti. Good. Only one cube, Rubik's cube.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then Siddharth.
Ma'am.
Siddharth is absent. No. Siddharth, show me your activity.
Ma'am,
Ah.
I am not doing it.
So you have to do it and you have to send to me. Okay. Sridhar. Sridhar, where are you, Sridhar? Sridhar? I didn't see Sridhar now. Sridhar is absent.
Ma'am, now it is 4 class.
We have one more minute, my dear. Then Tirtha, where is the activity? Tirtha.
Ma'am, Madam Jo.
Adam Joe. Okay, I saw the activity.
Sir, short the activity. Can I leave?
Where is the activity, Tirtha? I saw here, Tirtha. Where is the activity?
You send the WhatsApp group.
Okay. So those who didn't do, please do it and show me on next day. Okay. So thank you for joining. We will continue the next class. And Mitra, it's okay. Okay, good. Mitra, good. Very good. Okay. She already sent to me. No, that's.
You send in the WhatsApp group.